Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you some interesting video. Watch completely. You are watching Asar Crossviews channel. Today we are going to show you an unboxing video. This product belongs to Makita company. Makita has recently launched this machine of cordless version. Makita was an international company. They started to expand their product of cordless tools for various ranges. Today I am going to unbox Makita pressure washer model number DHW080. Let's get into the video. First we will open the box. Inside the box there is a storage tank available. Let me take it outside. This storage tank contain feed water inlet and water outlet, and it is more stronger, same like MacBack case. It has 50-liter tank capacity. It is easy to carry since it has handle and wheel. Let me open the box and check what inside available. It has two locks same like MacBack case for opening. First we have high pressure hose inside the box. The standard equipment comes with 5-meter hose, high pressure hose. It has two connections at each end for connecting one to the nozzle and one to the motor. Next we have self-suction hose. It has one connection at the end to the motor and another to the storage tank. Next we have one touch joint for tap connection, along with filter nozzle for tap connection. Next we have trigger gun. Next we have cyclone jet nozzle, or people will call it as dirt blaster. Then we have variable nozzle, or people will call it as spray lance. In this nozzle you can adjust the pressure of the water flow. Then we have water filter connection. And finally we have motor. Above the storage tank you can find the lock. Place the machine above and lock it firmly so that it will not fall down. This pressure washer operating in 36-volt battery system. So 18 plus 18 volt you can place battery inside the battery box. There is also an indicator to check the battery level, and there is a switch to adjust the pressure level. Let me insert the battery. The battery is 5 amp 18 volt LXT. Two batteries needed. The machine is brushless motor technology and it is operated in 18 plus 18 volt, which is 36 volt LXT batteries. The following picture will show you the connection details. Watch carefully how to connect. First, insert the self-suction hose inside the tank. The other end of the suction hose to be connected in the machine. In the machine, the picture is displayed, so you can connect in that end with the filter. Connect the high pressure hose on one side of the machine and the other side to the trigger. Then fix the variable nozzle. The nozzle is plug and play type. You can connect directly to the trigger. In high mode, the maximum working pressure you can achieve is 5.5 MPa and run time of 12.5 minutes of 5 ampere full charge. In low mode, you can achieve working pressure of 3.0 MPa and the maximum run time is 28 minutes of 5 ampere full charge. On high mode, the total amount of water consumption was 70 liter using variable nozzle for full battery charge. On other hand, 110 liter using variable nozzle for low mode. The overall advantages of this machine: it runs on battery, 36 volt, easy to transport, compact design, maximum 50 liter water tank capacity, directly connect with tanker or reservoir, storage facility, etc. That's it, my overall review for this machine. You need additional information, comment below. Meet you in next video.